Make $250 like clockwork by simply following the strategy that I'm sharing for the first time ever on this channel. Not a lot of people know about this method yet, so people like me and my friends have been taking advantage of it. Because I love you guys and I want you to make money too, I'm going to be spilling the beans in today's video. So if you want all of the information, then make sure that you stick around and follow all of the steps and strategies that I will be sharing with you right here, right now. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the easiest, and most legit ways to make money online. If reaching financial freedom is your goal, or if you just want to become more financially savvy, then you've come to the right place because that's exactly what we talk about day in and day out on this channel. With that said, let's go make some money! Now don't worry, we're here to help you make money and not spend it, so this strategy is completely free to replicate. All you need would be a laptop or PC if you have one, but if not, you're fine. A mobile phone will work too. It's definitely not a common method and we'll need the help of either MS Word or Google Docs to pull this off, but it is simple nonetheless. And even if you can't write or don't have any technical skills, you'll be fine, you'll still be able to pull this off. First and foremost, I want you to head on over to this website called HireSign.com. It's a marketplace for specific online jobs and you'll be able to find plenty of opportunities here. Some of the jobs that they offer include typing jobs, graphic design jobs, PowerPoint presentation jobs, spreadsheet entry jobs, voice recognition jobs, and so on. For today's strategy though, we'll be searching for something specific and it's proofreading. So as stated here on HireSign, proofreading jobs range from $5 to $10 a piece, and that work would entail checking for spelling and grammatical errors. And before you panic or think that you know nothing about grammar or that you're horrible at spelling, then let me reassure you that it won't be a problem. This position is completely remote, which means that you won't have a supervisor breathing down your neck. I'll be sharing some free tools that you can use to complete your work with confidence too. And if you're still not convinced, just think of what $10 of automated work can do for you. If you complete 25 pages of work in a day, that's $250 without a hitch. You also get flexible work hours and you can do that from anywhere in the world that you want, be it your bedroom or the beach. So let's get started with the application already. You can begin by clicking on this button that says Apply to be an online proofreader. And you'll see that it only takes 3 steps. First step is to review the HireSign's hiring process. Step 2 is to submit your job application. And step 3 is to complete a sample project. Now, step 3 may sound just a little bit intimidating for you non-professional writers or proofreaders out there, but trust me, you've got this. So once you've reached the registration page, you'll need to answer a few questions in a certain way in order for you to start receiving jobs and earning money immediately. So let me take you through which questions those are just to make sure that you're able to successfully complete your application. As you can see here, most of it is just the usual stuff: username, first and last name, email address, password, mobile number, gender. Just really basic stuff that you can easily answer yourself. The next part though, they ask about how much notice you would need to start a job, and this part is crucial, so I want you to select immediately. Even if you have a day job, I recommend that you pick this option anyway because it's not as if you have to complete a task by 9 a.m. the following day. It's just getting access to jobs by selecting immediately, and that's the very first step to ensure that you get as many jobs as you can handle. Just a quick reminder to those of you who aren't already subscribed to please not forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bells below because it's super simple to do and it also really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Alright, if that's clear, let's move on to the next question where you'll be asked which position you're interested in. So like we talked about, we're vying for the proofreading jobs because they do pay well, so you'll want to specify that here. After that, you'll be asked what country you're from, and you can just answer that, no problem. Jobs are available from people from all over the world, so it's just going to be the next question that's going to be crucial once again. And it's the part where you're going to be asked about your current work status. Now here you'll need to specify freelancer because that's what you'll be doing as a proofreader here. And after that, you'll need to write a simple introduction about yourself. Okay, I will give you a template so you don't even need to think about it. And here goes. My name is Chris Collins. I'm an editor, proofreader, and copywriter. I personally proofread and edit every document that's sent to me, and my goal is to let my clients' work shine. That's it. Wasn't that simple? After that, I want you to click on this box and submit your application. You should expect to hear back from them in 24 hours or so with the approval of your application and also some files that you can start working on. Here's one sample of an article that I need to proofread. It's 4 pages long and pays $10 a page. So doing this quick task gives me $40 without much effort at all. Can you imagine? It's also completely realistic to finish 25 to 30 pages of proofreading work in an hour's time. Now check this out. Even a simple tool like Microsoft Word can detect spelling and grammatical errors to help you out. But if you want to take it up a notch, an app like Grammarly can definitely help up your game and maybe find other errors that Word may have missed. So check this out. If this is the article that I need to proofread, I simply use Grammarly and it automatically points out all of the errors in the document and I can easily right-click to correct them. Just go through the entire document, making sure to pay attention to all the green and red underlines that you find because these are the ones that point out spelling and grammatical errors, maybe punctuation errors, and run-on sentences. If you want to be 100% sure about your work, and I suggest that you do because it is a real job that pays real money, and you can also check out this website called Reverso.net. It's an online checker for spelling and grammatical errors, and it makes use of AI or artificial intelligence to do its job. It's definitely a useful and convenient assistant to have, and again, it's absolutely free for you to use. Didn't I tell you it was going to be easy? So go ahead and apply right now. Completing the application process instead of just listening to me babble on in this video is a surefire way to get you motivated and believe that you are a doer. I know you've got this. So if you enjoyed this video and want access to even more ideas on how to make money online, you're in luck because we've got a ton of them for you and we'll continue to make even more of these in the days, weeks, and months to come. Thanks for staying on until this part of the video. If you enjoyed yourself, then please show us some love back by hitting the like, share, and subscribe buttons if you haven't already. Stay safe, guys, and I'll see you again on the next one.